Ever wonder why some folks hate crowds, while others love being around people? It's not weird or wrong. Your brain might just work differently. And that's what we'll explore today. So get comfy and let's chat. Just you and me. No crowd. First, let's clear something up. Hating crowds isn't a bad thing. You're not broken or strange. Your brain just works its way. Think of it as special wiring. While others play simple games, your mind plays chess, not checkers. You see what others miss. Let's talk about 5 main reasons. First is what brain docs call sensory processing sensitivity. Let's call it SPS for short. Most brains have a spam filter. They block out most noise. They ignore the small stuff, like that laugh in the corner, or the light that keeps blinking, or side talks all around. But your brain, no such filter. Your brain takes in everything. Every sound, every light flash, every face, every small move, every change in voice tone. It's like having super sight. Most folks see life in low def. You see in super high def, all the time. No off switch. About 1 in 5 people have brains that work this way. Their minds are set to catch all things or die trying. This takes huge brain power. Think of all that data flow. You're not just seeing things, you're saving them, sorting them. You're making sense of them. You're linking dots all day. This isn't being too thinky. It's your brain doing its job.
Long ago, this saved lives. While others sat by fires, your old kin heard the wolves. They saw the bad plants. They felt the storm coming. That's why we're still here. But now, in our world, with all its noise and lights, your poor brain gets too full. The second point is key. You're not mean or cold. You just hate fake stuff. In crowds, folks wear masks. I'm fine. This is fun. But you see through them all. You can read all the signs. The small face moves, voice shifts. You know when words are lies. It's like having truth sight, a skill you didn't ask for. A school found that crowd haters score high in feel smarts. You're not bad with folks. You're too good with them. You want real, deep talks, not just, nice day, huh? Small talk feels like work. It's dry, with no point. It drains your mind fast. Third point is cool science. Your brain runs on a fuel that's not like most folks. They get high from dopamine. It's their joy brain juice. Crowds make their brains fizz, like fireworks and fun times. But your brain? Not so much. Your joy comes from acetylcholine. Let's call it AC for short. AC loves quiet, calm things. A book read past bedtime. A walk all by yourself. Just time to think deep thoughts. Crowd fans need stuff outside. You need space in your head. Brain scans show this too. Your think part is thicker. When you do nothing alone, your brain's not just blank. It's making grand thoughts. While others hear plain tunes, you're making mind songs. Fourth is a big one. You're an feel net for others. Your brain has strong feel cells. They're called mirror brain cells. You don't just see feels, you take them in too. An hour in a crowd, you felt all their stuff. Their stress, fears, and joy, all piled on your own. No shock you get tired. 2 hours at a place might drain you for days. But this makes you strong. You can read folks so well. You know what they need. You see past their words. Most folks would break fast if they felt what you feel. And last but not least, you're not running from life. You're running toward you. Our world says be busy, be loud, be seen always. Post pics, make some noise. Or you're not living right. But you know a truth. Quiet's where clear thoughts live. Alone is where you find the real you. No masks. It's not lonely, it's free. You've opted out of noise. of the mad rush for more. You know, deep in your heart, the soft rooms hold truth. Your peace isn't hiding, it's the best kind of free. So what does this mean? If you hate big crowds, you're not weird or wrong. You're not scared or mean. You're built for deep things in a world full of noise. Your brain sees more truth, feels more things, knows more things, gets worn out for sure. But that's the cost, friend, of your own kind of gift. So next time you say no to that big loud event, don't feel bad at all. You're not less than others. You're not broke or odd. You're built for depth, not noise. And the world needs that too. To wrap up our chat, think about this one thing. What if your weird brain is just right for now? What new things might you see that the loud crowd will miss?